Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my crib.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know you clicked on this video to watch a Morgan Hall dorm tour, and you're gonna get that, but first we're having a little girl meeting here, girl boss meeting. This is Vanessa. She was my roommate in Rome, and we are in her dorm, the lounge area. And I actually, when I lived in Morgan South freshman year, I never showed you guys that dorm area, and I was like, Taylor, that was a major part of your freshman year because you would go there. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick, and then we're gonna get started on our little girl meeting. I'll talk a little bit about what we're gonna do with each other. That sounds wrong. 2 floors share this lounge area, and here it is. It has breathtaking views of Philadelphia everywhere you look. This side is this side of Broad Street. So cool. So this one's higher. She's on a higher floor than I was freshman year. I was on the 10th floor freshman year, but this is like significantly higher than where I was. There's stairs leading up to the other floor that shares this lounge, and there's just like a huge TV, couch, and tables and stuff. Fun fact, the first time me and my roommate came to this lounge, it was like one of the first couple nights we lived in Morgan South, and we like took our blankets and like just sat on this couch, and I think we like, I don't know, did we fall asleep? We might have fell asleep. Yeah, so that was funny. I remember that. Now I'm a senior, and people were graduating today, and I was just like, oh my god, that's gonna be me. But we're gonna get started on this meeting now. Stick around, or you can skip through this video if you want to see the actual dorm tour. Also, Vanessa is a blogger, and I'm gonna link her blog down below so you guys can check that out. She's gonna be doing a blog post on her dorm, and follow her on Instagram too, because she's also doing like a dorm tour video on her Instagram. So that's fun. Her room is so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. So basically, we came up with an idea to just like have a weekly meeting. I don't know, bi-weekly, weekly, we'll figure it out. It's just like kind of keeping each other on track with like our goals and like what we want to accomplish with our blog and like with my YouTube channel and like Instagram stuff. So we're just trying to help each other out, you know? Girls supporting girls. Shout out Adeline Morin. Love that.
Hey guys, what's up? So Taylor, I'm sorry, I was looking at the viewfinder. Taylor and I just finished our meeting not too long ago. It went really well. We both feel like we're going to be super productive this semester. It's raining out now, and it kind of ruined the mood for the rest of the night, but that's fine. We're gonna head over to KOP. So yeah, I just want to show you guys, you know, the beautiful rain we got going on. Why are the dots there?
It might do that.
Here, I'm gonna back up a little bit here. Okay, so that's not working right now, but we'll show you guys later, and I'm sure Taylor will show you all what's going on later on.
Right now, me and Vanessa are in her car. She's my Uber. We're going on a date night. Oh my god! She's taking me on a date.
She's my boyfriend.
Sorry, Christian.
Sorry, I came in still.
So we're going to this place called the True Food Kitchen?
Yes,
True Food Kitchen. True Food Kitchen. It's like right outside of King of Prussia.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're awesome.
Okay guys, so before we get on with the dorm tour video, I'm gonna show you 2 things that I got in the mail from the Peach Box. And you guys know that in a past video I did feature 2 other of their products. I'll link that video like in one of the cards right here. And I've just been really into trying to invest in better quality jewelry instead of getting like cheaper stuff that doesn't last as long. So they came out with a new collection called the Cleo Luxe collection, and all of their stuff is so pretty. I got 2 necklaces and they're little gold dainty ones. So this one just has triangles on them, and I'll show you what it looks like on. Okay, this is a choker style necklace, and it just has those 4 little triangles on it. It's so cute. So it just looks like that. I think it looks so adorable and I love it. They did give me a code to share with you guys as well, and it's Taylor15, and you can, I'll put it on the screen right here, and you guys can use it to get 15% off your purchase from the Peach Box. And I'll link everything down below, and then I'll just link their website so you can look at all of their other stuff. So the next one is also in this little box. Comes with a little pouch, and then here is the necklace. It's just a really dainty gold bar necklace. Both of these necklaces also come in silver and rose gold, so if that's more your aesthetic, then you can do that. Okay, so it just looks like that. It would probably be cute to wear the triangle necklace with this bar one, but I just love really simple pieces. So that is it for my little Peach Box haul. Now on to the dorm tour.
Welcome to my crib.
Love it.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning.
Vanessa was actually nervous about her green walls, but I think it just looks so good.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad.
Yeah, I think the gold from like your accents and stuff like really looks good with the green.
I agree. And then like the black over here.
Okay.
Okay. So starting with my closet, this side is mine. Right here, I have this that came with the room, and then some storage up here. Then I have a 3 cubicle for like a nice nightstand table.
Yes. Fake plants in there, gotta have them.
Then it's the bed where all the magic happens.
The blog magic idea.
Where the sleeping. Let's be real. So this is my bed. All my beautiful decor.
Did you link everything like in your little blog post?
Yeah, everything that I could find for me.
Awesome. I have these lights as well. Did you get them from Amazon?
No, Target.
Oh, Target. You can get them at Target too.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I have like a nice little poof here. A cart for some extra storage. The big desks that Morgan has.
He also has stuff over here. Morgan gives you this little drawer set, and then the desk, the chair. If you guys saw my dorm tour, that was my first video. She has a nice view of the city. My room was like right here. So whoever lives there, I slept in your bed. Okay. Cute little lights. Specific details of Vanessa's room, she did post a blog, so I'm gonna link that down below, and her Instagram and everything, and you guys should go follow her on that.